It is the 24th of June, 2021. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
Okay, it's Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I really didn't do anything directly relevant. Coming week, I hope to do some things with Python because I've got a few projects that I need Python for. And so I'm going to look at that Circuit Python for Arduino, I guess, or whatever. And I think that's a good goal for this week. So that's what I'm going to do coming week. Blocks are just it's summer, and also we have ended up with some baby lizards hiding in underbrush in their parents' cages, and they're cannibalistic, so they had to be rescued. A container had to be found for them, and they had to be rescued. That's it for me.
Okay. For me, last week there was no stand-up video to post. Tank level inverter and Raspberry Pi projects have no progress. The Wi-Fi adapter that I ordered for the Raspberry Pi kit, Sunfounder kit, is now officially a week late. I've asked for a refund or for them to send another one. It's probably going to be another 6 weeks before I see anything, unfortunately. I don't think the mail system coming out of China is working as quickly as everybody was expecting it to. Next week, I'm hoping to post something every week, and I really would like to continue investigating ROS, the robot operating system, and do a little bit of video on the tank level project, even though we're probably going to do the solder together kit. I'll do a video on plugging the parts together with the little pre-made jumper wires. It should help people to figure out what's going on when they do the solder stuff. And blocks, no official blocks, but yes, it is summer and other stuff tends to get in the way. Back to you, Lauren.
Okay, a 2 for me, 8 for the team, and the process improvement remains maybe getting Joe on stand-up.
Okay, I got 0 out of 4 done from my weekly plan, so I'm going to give myself a 1 for showing up for stand-up, and 7 for the team. Sounds like you're maybe going to get back into doing some stuff, so that's good. Process improvement, I guess getting Joe onto the call would be a good thing to do, although I'm not sure that's technically a process improvement, but we'll go with it. And I guess that's about it for stand-up.
Okay, all right. I'm ready to end the recording. I want to ask something.
Okay. I will stop recording.